how to make GIF on Instagram profile picture, possible or not. So yeah, let's see. So first off, open up your Instagram app, and after this you can go your profile picture, bottom right corner, tap on it, and then you can put edit profile. And now you have not options make GIF on Instagram profile, so you can create avatar. So tap on it, and then you can create manually and get started with the skin tone. Choose a skin color like this, tap on it, and then tap next, and then select the hairstyle which you want to create avatar, tap on it and tap next, and face shape, so which you want, tap on it and tap next, and again you can select body type and save and continue. So this is how you can do it, how you can create avatar on Instagram.